Hi, welcome back to My Curly Girls and Me. If this is your first time, welcome to our channel. We'd like to thank Curly and Free for sending us their oils. We have the Hibiscus Love and the Grapeseed Fusion. Now these are Ayurvedic hair growth oils, but we cannot attest to the hair growth claims of the oils because it does say that it promotes extreme hair growth. It helps with thinning of the hair. It helps with dry, itchy, flaky scalp and so many other things, but we cannot attest to most of those things because we were not using the oil long enough. We only had it for a week. I used it for sealing my hair before I put on my styling product. And my daughter Deja used it on her straightened hair. Now I chose the Grapeseed Fusion because it was the one on her Etsy shop that I seen that did not have coconut oil in it because my hair does not care for coconut oil. Maybe if I use it long enough, it can help out my postpartum edges. I didn't use that much oil on my hair because I'm not a big fan of sealing my hair with oils and butters during the styling process, but I will use it as a hot oil treatment because it can be used as a hot oil treatment. So I'll use it as a hot oil treatment next time. And by the way, the oils have a very pleasant smell, especially the Grapeseed Fusion.
I'm using the Hibiscus Love on my hair before I blow dry it. I use this oil after the heat protectant and before I flat ironed it to give me some shine. I'll definitely be using this oil when I straighten my hair because it makes it more flat when I straighten it and smooth and shiny.
Again, thanks to Curly and Free for sending us their oils to try. If you want more info, everything will be linked in the description box down below. Thanks for watching.